Hello everyone, hello HeadStarter. So this is week 2 and project number 2. The task was to create a Pantry tracker, so I just come up with the idea to create collaborative Pantry so everyone can add, everyone can delete or update specific the products. For example, let's go over the store and we can see here a lot of products. Okay, I just tested here. We can also search for products. It's really easy. We can also update products. For example, let's update, make it 3. This is it should be 3. Why it's okay? Save it. Okay, now it's 3. We can delete what? Let's delete Apple. We don't care about Apple. Okay, it works. So we can also see the recipes. For example, here pineapple smoothie, ingredients, grated pineapple, and ingredients. Okay, well, let's try it out. Let me search for some example. Yeah, why not? Just a second. What can we search? Maybe kiwi fruit. Okay, wow. Let me take photo. Okay, cool. Let's see. It's powered by GPT-4o, so all the data will be generated by GPT-4o, and okay, 3. We can update here also, and just click on save. It will be saved on a Firebase Firestore, and when you click on a take photo, it will upload to storage, the Firebase storage, and retrieve the URL, and then it will send the URL to GPT-4o to generate the data. It will return the JSON data, and then we can edit some specific fields or just save it in the Firebase storage, the Firebase Firestore, and we can go over the store and we can see our new product here. Nice. Now we can also see the recipes here: kiwi smoothie, kiwi salad. You can also donate as well if you want. If you found this project not helpful but fun, if you found this fun, click on here and you can just donate me. Any number, you can put any number, and if you want to be member, you can go to Patreon, and here I post really cool things. For example, this one, Pathway to Tech, and here what you will get: summary, key aspects, potential phrases, sentences, and insightful point. For example, this one, paper, and you got presentation, everything, key aspects, really interesting. And you can also find my applications. For example, this one accepts, this one also accepted. You can just repeat it and get accepted. Just for this you just get a member and you will get full access for everything. Really easy. See ya. That's all from me.